Hello, dear students. The chapter which we are going to study today is microorganisms, friends and foe. Let us first know what microorganisms are and where are they found. The living organisms that can't be seen with our naked eyes and require microscopes to visualize them are called microorganisms or microbes. और मे बी बिकॉज हम उन्हें डायरेक्टली अपनी आंखों से नहीं देख सकते हैं और माइक्रोस्कोप से ही हम उन्हें देख सकते हैं, दैट इज़ वाई दे आर नोन एज माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स और माइक्रोब्स. There are few exceptions. Obviously, there are some algae and even fungus we can see with our naked eyes. Then, where are they found? They are present all around us. They are found in the atmosphere, air, water, soil, in our houses. They are also found in the extreme conditions, that is, in deserts and even in the frozen snowfields. They are present even inside and on our body. Our body is like a zoo for this microbial world. Do you know why I am telling this? Because our body is made up of 10 trillion of cells, but our body harbors 100 trillion bacteria. That is 90% of our body cells are bacteria. There are more microbes on anyone's hand than the people on the earth. किसी भी इंसान के हाथ में उतने माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हो सकते हैं जितने इस पृथ्वी पर इंसान भी नहीं है. Now, I told you earlier they are found in soils also. Even a single teaspoon of soil contains 1 billion bacteria, 120,000 fungi and 25,000 algae. They are very, very important. All living beings are the host to microbes. That is, they provide food and shelter to the microbes. जितने भी living beings है, plants, animals, human beings, ये सारे microbes के लिए एक host का काम करते हैं. वो उन्हें food और shelter provide करते हैं. Microorganisms जो होते हैं, they can be unicellular, made up of one cell, like bacteria, some algae and protozoa. They can also be multicellular, made up of many cells, like some algae and fungi. Microorganisms may exist alone or in colonies. वो अकेले भी पाए जा सकते हैं and even they live in the colonies. There are mainly 5 types of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoans and viruses. Examples of few common bacteria are Lactobacillus, E. coli, etc. The examples of algae are Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, etc. Fungi, bread mold, quite common, you might have seen on the bread, Penicillium, Aspergillus, etc. Protozoans, amoeba, paramecium, etc. And the example of viruses are very common and well known to everyone nowadays, COVID-19, जिसने हमारा पूरा रूटीन चेंज कर दिया है इन इवन द स्टडीज़ का स्टाइल भी चेंज कर दिया है. इबोला एंड रेबिस आर ऑल्सो सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वायरसेस. डू यू नो वायरसेस आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल अदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. बैक्टीरिया, फंगाई, आल्गे वगैरह से वो थोड़े से अलग होते हैं एज दे आर नॉट सेल्स एट ऑल. वो सेल्स नहीं होते. एक प्रॉपर सेल जो होता है जिसमें प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होता है, साइटोप्लाज्म होता है, राइबोसोम्स होता है, बट वायरसेस में नहीं होती है ये सारी चीज़ें. दैट इज़ वाई दे कैनॉट बी कंसिडर्ड इन प्रोकैरियोटिक और यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स. दे आर ओनली जेनेटिक मटेरियल सराउंडेड बाय प्रोटीन. Viruses can't reproduce by themselves. Instead, they infect living organisms, host, and use the host cells to reproduce. जब भी वो नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स पर होते हैं, they behave as a non-living thing. And when they enter the living thing, they start reproducing. That is the reason most scientists do not consider them to be the living things. That is all for now. Thank you.